Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite for the month of November. These are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin with an angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll start your read. So my angels, what do you have for Libra now? Blessing or an advice card for my Libra gang? Blessing or an advice card for Libra, please? This one. Vision. Keep your eyes on the prize, Libra. What is your vision for your future? I think that's what it's trying to say. Let's keep this card here and see why this beautiful angel is here, directing you to see or work towards your future here. How do you see yourself? What's your vision? All right, let's see how why this card is here and how the rest of the cards are going to complement it maybe. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being always supporting the channel. I'm very blessed to have you here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, this is going to be a mini read, just a 9-card spread to check your energy. And we'll take 3 cards for advice as well if required. And if any of you need a private reading, Libra, you can always reach me. My email is in the description box below. Feeling a bit stuck here, Libra. Hangman, right bottom of my deck. Let's see why and who. The first card I have for you here, Libra, is the 8 of Pentacles. Magician in reverse. And the Ace of Pentacles. King of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the 3 of Swords. Ace of Cups, center of my spread, Libra. What's happening here? 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Swords. Yes, Libra, somebody walked away here. Somebody walked away here. This could be you, this could be your partner. Maybe this had the potential of having... This was a lot of happiness here in the past. No, let me backtrack here, Libra. Somebody returned back to your life and this seemed like the perfect relationship. This seemed like, wow, all my dreams have come true. This person has come back into my life. This is my soulmate. This is my forever person. So yes, this was the love of your life. This person was caring, nurturing, beautiful, handsome, whatever, nurturing. This was like the epitome of love that you could have ever wished for. And then when this person came back to your life, the other person, I think, did something foolish here. They became the Magician in reverse and refused to accept this new beginning here. Yes. Magician in reverse, Emperor in reverse, right? So somebody didn't want to start anything new. They didn't want to start a brand new chapter maybe with their partner. Maybe they were used to the way they were living before this partner showed into their life, and they didn't want to close this old chapter of their life. Maybe they got used to living a certain way or behaving a certain way, and they felt that if I start something new with this person who's returned back to my life, I may have to change things. And I don't think this person was very ready for it, and they kind of tricked or manipulated or tried to control this relationship. With the Emperor in reverse, this person became a little like a dictator, tried to control the situation, and maybe said, hey, I'm not ready for a new beginning, and I'm not going to take any forward movement. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Even though I think the person who was trying to control the situation, Libra, had a lot of love in their heart. Okay, they had a lot of love in their heart here, but they always kind of camouflaged it with the King of Cups energy. They always showed love and then they pulled it back or said something which would confuse the other person. Because basically they didn't want to fight for this connection. Okay, they were not fighting for this connection. They were not sure whether they wanted to have this new beginning. They were not sure whether they had it in them to take action towards this, and I think somebody here turned their back and deprived themselves and their partner of a new beginning here, because they wanted to see what else is out there. Maybe they thought the grass was greener on the other side, and this King of Wands became a bit selfish and said, hey, I've already got this one, and let's see, maybe there's something even better coming up in my future for me. And there was no action taken and no new beginning. So what's this Ace of Cups spirit then in the center of the deck? Somebody was selfish with their love. Second time, King of Wands, second time. Okay, so now that here I have a masculine here on my board who was controlling. Okay, the Emperor in reverse, who was controlling, who was like a dictator, who was a magician in reverse, a trickster, who was selfish, who, even though they knew they had a good thing in hand, they knew that this was their love. I think this person didn't take that opportunity because of their own greed and unwillingness to put in any work. Now this person is stressed out. There's a lot of stress and worry because now the love is kind of, I think, oh God, Ace of Cups spirit. Now this person wants a rebirth. They want a resurrection. Now I think this partner of theirs has left, and now they want, the masculine here now is realizing the depth of love they have for the person who they disregarded in the past, Libra. Now this masculine's cup of love is overflowing. Now they don't know what to do with it because I don't think the grass was greener on the other side. Now they realize that that was my perfect partner, that was my one true love, and I've let this person go. How can I heal now broken hearts? Okay, but they desperately do want a resurrection of this relationship. It's not making them happy because now I think their partner is no longer choosing them, no longer making an effort, and they probably see that their partner is now healing themselves as well and no longer now giving to the connection. Three of Swords in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse. So I think the feminine here got really, really upset here, Libra, because of this masculine selfish behavior, because of their unequal give and take. Maybe they found out that the masculine was giving to more than one. They had third parties. I think this feminine has now taken their love back and is in the process of healing themselves. They're angry, yes, but healing themselves. They're no longer in sorrow and regret, or no longer wanting what the masculine wants now, a rebirth. Because now what seemed like a perfect soulmate connection has now been soiled, right? It's got bad memories. Now there is, it's come to a halt. I'm sorry, Libra. If you are the Libra who did the nasty towards your partner, if you're the Libra masculine watching this, then your feminine is no longer now waiting. They don't see you in high regard, or vice versa. Libra feminine. This could be a masculine who's now, you could be now, investing now in yourself. I think the feminine here has now brought this situation to a total halt now and is now very discerning as to where and who they're going to invest with now. Okay, I think this feminine is now starting from scratch and no longer stressed or worried about it either. Yes, no longer putting in any more work into this past relationship with a person who has not been authentic, right? So this feminine is now investing in new things. And I don't see this person as very stressed or worried either. I think there's been so much heartbreak here. You saw this, right? this was clarified by this. Three of Swords in reverse is very, very painful. And this is double whammy. This could have happened more than once. This masculine may have hurt this feminine more than one time. But now I think the feminine has healed, no longer wanting to invest in this, putting in work for their own self, and no longer stressed or worried about this player, I think, who they don't have a very good, they don't feel very highly, or they don't see this masculine in very high regard anymore, unfortunately. Yes, so this is a tower moment. This is a tower moment because it's going to be a sudden death to this relationship. There is nothing working out here, Libra, anymore, especially in this relationship. After this tower moment, things have really changed. Things have really transformed. This feminine has now healed themselves. The masculine is in stress. Nine of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Wow. Yes, this feminine is no longer fighting for this connection anymore. According to this feminine, things have totally come to an end. This is an active choice being made by the other party, by the feminine. Okay, and yes, let's see. Any advice for Libra now? I guess somebody didn't have the vision here, Libra, for the future. Okay, so I think you were gifted a soulmate who you took for granted, whoever the masculine is in this dynamic. And now the feminine has been so hurt that I think she's become numb to the relationship. So let's take 3 cards of advice here. Advice for my Libra gang, please, Spirit. What should they do in these circumstances? One more. That's not advice, Spirit. We need one more as advice. We know that the masculine is totally stuck here. They've made a very, very foolish mistake here. Somebody has been very mischievous. Now I think, Libra, from what I feel Spirit is saying, it's time for you to do some introspection, the masculine here. It's time for you to understand, go within and get enlightened about all your foolish mistakes here. Yes, somebody has been very mischievous in the dynamic. You could be dealing with an Aries here, the Fool and the Emperor are here. But yes, it's time now to take back control of yourself, of your life, of your vision for the future, and then take some action. Okay? Right now, first, the masculine has to understand what they've done, what their greed has gotten them. Gotten them nothing, no forward movement. Okay, so this is enlightenment that this masculine is now going through, understanding how they were greedy. They were so happy with their 9 cups to say, I'm good, my arms are folded, and I don't want that Ace of Cups, which could have led both of you to a 10 of Cups, happily ever after. But I think this Ace of Cups, which the masculine desperately wants now, was rejected. This masculine was very greedy and wanting 9 cups, which were of no consequence. And because of that, I think they lost their chance of having a fresh new beginning with the love of their life. The Fool, Spirit, the Fool. Yes, this is a very emotional time for the person who did that. Maybe they kept secrets from their feminine, but this could also mean that they are emotionally very, very, very overwhelmed because of their own foolishness here. Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Yes, somebody has done something very mischievous here. It's time now, Spirit is saying, to drop this burden once and for all. Do the right thing if you can. Have a vision for your future. And instead of just sitting around and being in sadness, I think it's time now to be the Emperor and take back charge, take back control of the situation. Try and put things right. Right? If I think somebody is very angry and upset with you. So what should then the masculine do, Spirit? You have to make a move here. With the Emperor, you have to show that you are now, you can or want to take charge back of whatever you want. I think this is the feminine who's very upset and angry. So you will have to make the move here, Libra. Masculine, whoever I'm talking to, you will have to be the one who will now have to take the reins of this relationship and move towards your feminine and try and heal the situation. I can't promise you because the feminine has now become very strong, okay? But yes, it's time for you to communicate and at least talk about all this wicked behavior, all these promises which were not kept, okay? And talk about it. Maybe there's a chance that in the future things can be put right and there is a potential once again of a happily ever after, Libra. If no action is taken, it's going to totally backfire on the masculine here. Okay, the feminine is moving ahead. I think healing, doing good in their life now. I think after healing from their heartbreak, but this masculine, I can't say anything right now till they don't take action. Okay, so this is just for the last few days of November, Libra. Don't worry, we'll meet again first week of December. And till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.